Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we will take a look at why is my washer not cleaning my clothes properly? Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. When doing your laundry, you expect your clothes to come out clean. After all, that's the sole purpose of a washing machine. So when your clothes come out all dingy, you want to know the reason why. Poor cleaning is usually the cumulative effect of many situations over an extended period. So let's take a look at them. The first thing that you want to check is the amount of hot water that you have coming into the washer. Water temperature should be 140 degrees Fahrenheit for good results. Also, take into consideration how long it takes the hot water to come from your hot water heater to your washer. That could have an impact on how hot the water is coming into the unit. If your hot water tank is a long distance from the washer, fill and drain the washer once before starting your first load to make sure you have proper hot water temperatures so your detergent can do its job. The second thing you'll want to check is what type and amount of detergent you're using. An incorrect amount of detergent can cause many problems. A full capful or scoopful of detergent in the washer provides the most benefits in cleaning your clothes. Always look to your manual to determine the exact amount of detergent and the correct detergent used for your specific washer. Cold water washing should not be used to remove oily soils or hardened food substances. All detergents are ineffective in water 65 degrees Fahrenheit or colder. Cold water washing should be used in temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is only recommended for very lightly soiled or bright coloured garments. Number 3, overloading your washer. Clothes need to agitate freely to become clean. When using a top-load washer, you should load dry clothes up to the top row of the holes on your tub. Any higher will be considered overloading the unit. For front-load washers, the tub can be loaded completely full, but not packed tightly. Load the washer with articles of different sizes to allow free circulation in the water. Number 4, inexpensive detergent and hard water. Products that contain sodium carbonate will affect washing results, no matter what brand or model washer is used. Clothes may not get as clean, and coloured fabrics may lose colour. A lint-like residue may be deposited on the clothes from a reaction with the hardness materials in your water. To determine the amount of hardness in your water, you can purchase a test kit or call your local water company to test the hardness of your water. If you have hard water, use detergents containing both aluminosilicates and sodium carbonate. The combination does a better job of softening the water. Installing a water softener if you have hard water eliminates hardness materials from the water supply. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.